What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Solana because right now we are forming here this bullish setup, and if certain conditions are met, I will be thinking here about opening a trading position. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under your video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 12-hour chart. You can see that right now we are forming here this ascending triangle. Another important thing that I'm currently watching here is this bearish order block on the 12-hour chart, which is between levels 143 and 131. So this is the main important resistance that we will be using in our trading setup. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case, you can put somewhere back to this ascending triangle. This will really depend on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. Right now, I'm watching here two possible trading setups. The first one will be more likely a short-term trade or like a scalp trade, and the second one will be for a long time. But let's start with a scalp scenario. If there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then you can enter here a long position with a stop loss, let's say somewhere back in this ascending triangle. But if you want to have, let's say, good risk reward ratio, the stop loss needs to be, let's say, kinda small, because yeah, you just want to have here like good risk reward ratio. And the last take profit target you can put, let's say, somewhere to 150, yeah, somewhere under 150 mark, because in my opinion there is pretty high probability that if we are gonna hit this bearish order block, then we will swipe the liquidity above, and then the price can reverse back down. But definitely in this case, take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this current week high, then under this bearish order block, then some of the profits definitely in the bearish order block, let's say somewhere around 142.43 level, and then say some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 10.7, the actual risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 7.5, something like that, which is in my opinion really good for a scalp trade. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this first setup. The second long scenario is kinda different, because we will be opening here a long position for a long time. A stop loss in this case can be much bigger. You can, for example, put it under this previous low of this 12-hour candle, and as your last take profit target, well, you can use, let's say, 197, something like that. I want to put the last TP under the $200 mark, because this will be like the next important psychological resistance. Historically, you can see that above this bearish order block we have here like absolutely zero liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. But yeah, we just need to keep in mind to that $200 resistance. Again, in this case, it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take definitely under this week high, then under this bearish order block, and then, for example, under 160, 180, and then save some back to the last take profit target. In this case, we have here risk reward ratio approximately 11.85, and if we will take multiple take profit targets, then the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 8, yeah, something like that. So yeah, this is another setup that I'm currently watching on this coin, and to me personally, I kinda like this setup more because we have here, let's say, bigger stop loss, so there is not that much risk of getting liquidated. On the other hand, if you are, for example, looking for some short scenarios on Solana because you, for example, think that the whole market right now is overbought, which I kinda like agree with you, then also I'm watching here few scenarios. The first one will be definitely valid in case of breakdown and then resistance confirmation, and in this case you can trade here, for example, something like this. So stop loss again somewhere back to this ascending triangle, and the last take profit target you can put above this previous strong low, which will give you risk reward ratio like 5.09, which is honestly not bad. And even if you will take multiple take profit targets, then the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, still around 4. Another possible short scenario will be valid in case of breakout, fake out, resistance confirmation. So yeah, kinda similar setup like the previous one. So you can trade here, for example, something like this. Stop loss in this case you need to put above the high that we will create during a fake out, and the last take profit target can remain the same. And if you want to open here, let's say, some long-term short short position, then you just need to wait for a resistance confirmation under this bearish order block. But in this case, you need to speculate on kinda higher returns because the estimated stop loss will be around like 10%. So yeah, you just need to put the last TP on really low levels, which like I kinda doesn't expect that we are gonna go hit these lower levels. So if you want to take here, let's say some let's say relatively good short-term trades, then I would probably consider taking these two as a scalp trade. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comment. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. See ya.